new technology train program is an exciting new adventure for the Transit Authority. It has great benefits for customers and TA employees alike. For customers, the program offers brighter, more comfortable, and safer trains.
Number one is the clear glass end of each car. It enables a police officer who comes on that train to look the entire length of the train and see what's going on. That's a benefit to the police officer on patrol, and the reduction of crime, and a benefit to the passengers.
The porcelain enamel door entrances are all in the white with a baked-on mosaic pattern that's been modeled after the mosaics in the subway system. The floor is a dark, speckled floor, black, gray, and white speckled, which won't show dirt the way the present cars do. And the lighting is overall, I think, much softer. It's an indirect lighting. All help to create a softer, cleaner passenger environment.
The new technology test train includes a number of new features that are designed to enhance the passenger environment inside the car, as well as improve operational performance. One of the first things people will notice is that the doors are not located immediately alongside one another, but are staggered so as to facilitate more even passenger loading inside the train. In addition, the first seats are located away from the door so that the passengers standing inside the car around the door will not get in the way of passengers boarding and alighting. From a passenger information perspective, we have devices that help let passengers know where they are. A strip map located above the windows, an annunciator which announces the next station to be stopped at, and a pre-recorded announcement will be made over the train's public address system. From a passenger security perspective, we have a touch strip to let the passengers communicate and let the crew know that they need assistance, as well as an intercom to let them speak to the crew should they need assistance. One of the most notable features on board the vehicle is the enhanced air conditioning system, which has all of the componentry located in the ceiling above the car. This will provide for ease of maintenance as well as a better flow of cool air inside the car.
From a technical standpoint, there are a lot of advances as well. Regenerative braking, for example, which allows us to recover the energy that's lost in braking and put it back into the system and recover that electricity.
If this thing proves a success, when we have a fleet of these cars, we expect a 20 to 30% reduction in electrical cost. The airbag system located above this contact shoe constantly changes in height. And what happens, it changes in height in relationship to the weight inside the car. The result is that this door sill and the platforms are kept on an even keel. This is very important so that the wheelchairs, people in wheelchairs, can have easy access in and out of the car. But that's not all this car has. This car has other features, such as outside speakers on the car. The outside speakers allow the passengers on the platform to know if the diversion takes place or a reroute takes place. It has computer diagnostics.
One of our new features on the R110B is the speedometer. With the speedometer, we no longer have to estimate our speed. Another feature added to the R110 is the monitoring screen. If there is a problem on the train operator now only has to touch the screen. With that, it will tell him what the problem is. For instance, if we have a door problem, it would not only tell him the car, but it would also tell him what door.
The new tech trains are important for TA employees as well as for customers. We've got to learn some new maintenance procedures. There's a lot of highly technical equipment included in these trains that we haven't seen before, that have not been on any other models of trains. So special training procedures will begin. In fact, some have already started, and we'll begin to learn how to deal with and how to maintain properly this new technology equipment. So for customers, for employees, for the future of the Transit Authority, the new technology train program is very important. And I have full confidence that it'll be a big success, and by 1996 or 1997, we'll be ready to order a new age of cars for our customers and the authority.